just came in. This is filters for my kitty cat water fountain. I'm hoping it works. And the water fountain information that I purchased are below. The YouTube video link that I made the video on for this water fountain is below also. This is a pack of, what is it, 12? Yep, a 12 pack of filters. The other one went kaput, the original one, and I'm putting this one in. I gotta figure out which way it goes. I always mess it up. I messed up the last one. I think I put it upside down. Let me see. Let me try to figure this one out. So let me look for the instructions. They should be in here somewhere. Let me find it. There they are. So this is the kitty cat that we're trying to get the water filter for. And we hope she appreciates it. How does she show her appreciation? By running away. I don't think there's anything in here. There's my kitty cat photobombing the camera. Nothing in there at all. I don't see instructions, so I'm gonna go by what it shows there. I'm gonna put the white on up and the blue and black below. And that's the kitty cat. Hold on, let me. Puma? Puma, here you go. Here you go. Go put it in your water fountain. Oh, I think she licked it. This is the fountain, and I'm going to lift it up and just stick it in there. It goes in here. And hold on one moment. The kitty cat wants, oh, okay. You gotta pull this thing here, pull it out. I'm gonna put it like this. And now the kitty cat will get nice clean water. I'll give it to her in 1 second. Again, you can see the video to get a closer look of the actual water fountain itself. I just clipped on it. Can you get a large cup of water so that I could fill this up to the top, please? Is she gonna get it? Thank you. Is she going to get a drink of water? Can you get me some more water? Thank you. Where is she? Puma, come get water. Come get water. Come on. Come on. She's drinking. Hold on. I still can use that water. I'm just waiting for her to finish. I don't want to pour it on top of her. Ah, she's drinking. Look at that. She usually drinks from the spout.
Yeah, but I think she recognizes it when it's not filtered, I think.
She's not happy? She wants filtered water? What are we doing to our kitty cats now? Getting them so used to filtered water? We're gonna buy Perrier water or something for them? All right, so that was putting in the filter into the water fountain for the kitty cat, and she likes it. She loves this thing. And you know, to prevent, what I've heard, I'm no expert, but to prevent urinary tract infection on kitty cats, females, you want to make sure that you use something like this where the water's currently running. You don't want to have that water sitting, or at least if the water's sitting, you have to change it every single day. She or he has to get fresh water all the time, or they get infections. It's really bad for them. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye now. Can you put this cup away?
Yeah, no, I've been
PetStandard Replacement Premium Water Filter for NPET WF050 Transparent Water Fountain. Arc-shaped, washable PET fountain filters with triple filtration system, pack of 12. 01-2023. Cost, $16.99. Purchased on Amazon. Color blue, black, white. Material resin. Brand PetStandard. Item dimensions LXWXH 4.5x 2.25x 0.75 inches. About this item. Compatibility only compatible with NPET WF050 transparent PET fountains. Arc-shaped filter, longest side is about 4.50 inch. Width is about 2.25 inch. Thickness is about 0.75 inch. Premium quality filters, triple filtration system, composed of a sponge layer, activated carbon layer and an ion exchange resin layer. Effectively to filter hair, heavy metals, keeps water fresh and improve the taste of the water. Frequency of replacement, to prevent the activated carbon dust from shedding into water. Please soak the cat fountain filter in water for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly under running water before using 1 to 4 weeks in summer and 2 to 6 weeks in winter. If multiple cats are using the fountain, more frequent replacement will be necessary. Premium 12-pack PET fountain filters, 12-pack of premium PET fountain replacement filters, individually packaged and sealed to maintain high quality. Enough supply for 4 to 18 months of use. Friendly customer service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about our products. We'd like to help you. From the brand PetStandard, high quality, affordable pet products. Previous page. PetStandard logo. High quality product, affordable prices. PetStandard is a company located in sunny Clearwater, Florida. At PetStandard we focus on you, the customer. From replacement filters to pet product accessories, we're easing the cost of ownership by creating less expensive products with the same or better quality than the branded one. We thrive to provide a great seller experience, and our US-based team is here to assist you. Filters for cat design senses fountains and cat flower fountains. Pack of 6 PetStandard replacement RFA67 6V lithium batteries compatible with PetSafe battery-operated PET. PetStandard replacement carbon filters and 1 replacement seal strip set compatible with litter rub. PetStandard water filters, compatible with Vrecken 95 Oz 2.8L fountain, pack of 12. Best sellers. Visit the store. Next page. Compare with similar items. PetStandard replacement premium water filter for NPET WF050 transparent water fountain. Arc-shaped, washable PET fountain filters with triple filtration system, pack of 12. This item PetStandard replacement premium water filter for NPET WF050 transparent water fountain. Arc-shaped, washable PET fountain filters with triple filtration system, pack of 12. Product description. Compatible only with NPET WF050 transparent PET fountains. Arc-shaped filter, longest side is about 4.50 inch. Width is about 2.25 inch. Thickness is about 0.75 inch. Triple filtration system, composed of a sponge layer, activated carbon layer and an ion exchange resin layer. Effectively to filter hair, heavy metals, keeps water fresh and improve the taste of the water. To prevent the activated carbon dust from shedding into water, please soak the cat fountain filter in water for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly under running water before using 1 to 4 weeks in summer and 2 to 6 weeks in winter. If multiple cats are using the fountain, more frequent replacement will be necessary. 12-pack of premium PET fountain replacement filters, individually packaged and sealed to maintain high quality. Enough supply for 4 to 18 months of use. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about our products. We'd like to help you. Product information. Product dimensions 4.5x 2.25x 0.75 inches. Item weight 2.85 ounces. Manufacturer PetStandard. Austin B09DDH6EFS.